If you all enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you all want to see this year. Let me know because I got a whole lot planned for the road this year. So you all just let me know. Like I said, it's the 2017 Nissan Rogue S base model with the appearance package, which include the chrome door handles, the indicators on the mirrors, the roof rack, and back here it used to be the little chrome piece right here, but I took that off, so I didn't want to see it. Because after I was rear-ended, I was like, I don't want all that chrome back there, man. I'm going for the blackout look anyway. So, but I mean, like I said, overall, you all let me know what y'all want to see this year on the channel, and I'm gonna try my best to make those videos with this Rogue. Like, if you want to see like the front bumper, the side skirt, which I already have the front bumper video out. You want to see a side skirt removal video, rear bumper removal video, how to paint your wheels black. You know, these are the hubcaps though, 17-inch hubcaps that's on here. So I can show, I can make videos of how to do all that. Like, if you plan on customizing your Rogue and you really plan on, you plan on trying to make it to your liking, just let me know in the comments what y'all want to do. I mean, it's Rogue Nation here. Check out the Facebook group on Nissan Rogue Nation. Shout out to those people there. Everybody in that group is cool, and it's a lot of information that's given on these roads, so they save you money. They keep you out their dealership trying to get you to pay all that extra money. So y'all, check it out. You got Nissan Rogue, man. Join the group. Join the group. So, but yeah, first bath of the year. So y'all just check it out. Check out the channel. Subscribe. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers right now. I'm sitting at almost 730. And I'm thankful for the ones that have been showing me the support, that subscribe to my channel. And y'all be sure to let's keep this journey going, man. It's been a long journey for me. I remember like a while ago I was at 75 subscribers when I had my Camaro. So I just really appreciate everything everyone's been doing for me. And y'all take care. Enjoy this new year. Stay out of trouble. And just stay positive, keep grinding, and don't never stop dreaming. Y'all take care, man. Peace.